Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Want to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys how you can get rid of codes on your MetaTrader 5 on your Android smartphone. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, you just need to make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then after making sure of that, go onto MetaTrader 5 app. And after that, go into codes which is on the bottom left side of your screen. Here you can see all the codes that are appearing on my screen. But if you want to remove all of this, you need to go onto the top right pencil-like icon on your screen. Tap on it and you can see there is a dustbin button on the top right corner of your screen. If you click on it, you can see this option pop up. Now you can select any of the crypto that you want to get rid of on your codes on your MetaTrader 5. Now if you want to get rid of this, you can just simply tick on it and then again click on the trash icon. After that, you can see that the codes on the MetaTrader 5 has been deleted, and that's how you can get rid of codes on a MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.